Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be talking about what it's like to own a supercharged Mustang. We're going to talk about the perks, the pros and cons to it. So let's get into it. First though, she's going to need a car wash. It's quite dirty. Washing her and she's on to drying now.
Wee! Look at that thing. Looking so beautiful.
The only bad thing about having louvers now is every time you wash your car, you gotta use a towel and go right underneath each single one and pray to God you do not get cut. So I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but right here underneath each edge is actually really sharp since it's made out of ABS plastic. But you just want to get right under here and put the towel over your hand just so you don't scratch or cut yourself, because I've done that and it's pretty painful. Well, just finished drying her up. All she needs is some quick wax and boom, she's a beauty.
Damn, look at that car. Tell me another car that's shining like that. Alright boy, keep on getting it in. Get some elbow grease into that. Make sure to go side to side with it. Don't scratch my car. Why is my car that thick? Double cheeked up on a Sunday morning like that.
Today we're going to be talking about what it's like to own a supercharged Mustang. With this car, it's equipped with a Roush Phase 1 supercharger, which comes with a advertised 575 horsepower and roughly around 526 foot-pounds of torque. Now, even though that this is just the Roush Phase 1 supercharger, you actually don't get quite good gas mileage from my experience. If you drive it conservatively, you can manage around 15 miles per gallon in the city if you're really conservative, and in the highway you can possibly get close to 20 miles per gallon, but that's driving conservatively, which, to be honest, no one really does that. We're all banging gears, you know. So me personally, I average roughly around 10 to 13 miles per gallon in the city, which is honestly pretty bad, but I mean, you get what you get when you have a supercharged Mustang. You know, you have 500 horsepower. So what we have here is a 2011 Mustang GT, which comes from the factory, is a 5-liter V8 engine with a dual overhead cam, has 32 valves in total. But with this Mustang in particular, it comes with the added on Roush Supercharger, which bumps up the advertised 400 horsepower from the factory to roughly 575 crank horsepower. With a manual MT82 transmission, the actual supercharger in itself, it is a TVS style supercharger. The positives of running a supercharger like this is that compared to a twin turbo setup, a single turbo setup, or even a centrifugal style supercharger, is that you get the boost immediately. Now, what I'm running around is roughly 10 to 11 pounds of boost, but for a turbo, you can obviously run more boost, but where you're gonna lack is the instant torque and power that this supercharger delivers. You could go faster in a twin turbo setup, but for the type of driving that I'm doing, where it's just from 0 to 60 90% of the time, where I can't even go above that, or else I'm in trouble with the law, this style supercharger is more than sufficient enough for me. I do plan on eventually going with the Phase 3 conversion kit, which bumps it up to 675 horsepower, but that's for other times. Yeah, that puppy's not moving anywhere. Definitely a lot harder to control this high horsepower car. Even though it's only 500 horsepower, it is still quite a bit, and using a manual transmission is definitely a lot harder to control this amount of horsepower, but definitely is a lot more fun than an automatic transmission from this model. So I actually don't know the 0 to 60 time, but I would estimate it's within 4.4 seconds to a very high 3 seconds. Just because I know people that own a Boss 302 that their advertised 0 to 60 time is 4.4 seconds, and I believe a Boss 302 has 440 horsepower or 460 horsepower, where this car definitely has 575 horsepower. So I would estimate around roughly between that 4.4 and a high 3.9 second 0 to 60 time. By no means, this car is definitely no slouch, you know. So I didn't realize at the time of this video I forgot to film the outro, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and it's Drew, and I'm out.